Hi guys, welcome to RN Lyrics TV. If you're new here, kindly like, comment and subscribe, okay? Subscribe guys to support my YouTube channel. So here I did crochet braids using Fluffy Kingi Extra on my head, and it has been 3 weeks. So I've decided to change my look by twisting them. So I now want to have some braids, some twisted braids, and that's what you're seeing me doing in this video here. So it's very simple guys, you can easily do it on yourself, especially kama we hujui kujitwist kichwa yote, unaweza jicrochet, then after that unajitwist, zinakaa kama twist and zitakuwa very simple and neat. Yeah, just like that, very slowly. And don't forget to subscribe guys, just hit the subscribing button below and support my YouTube channel. So with these twisted braids, they can again last for as long as 3 weeks, and that makes it 1 month 2 weeks having the same hair but different hairstyles. In fact, people can really think that you got a new hairstyle if you are that kind of person who doesn't like kutoatoa nywele mapema. See, that's the difference. In the first video I have my crochet braids on, and in my second video I've twisted my crochet braids. So I'm having fluffy kinky twists. It's super amazing, right? Yeah, so here I'm simply trying to put on some different hairstyles and compare them. So crochet braid really seems heavy. I mean, zinakwanga mingi, especially when the weather is very hot. Unaweza sweat, unaweza feel uncomfortable while sleeping, kuzifunga ndo ulale. But with them twisted, it's very simple kufunga ukilala, kwa sababu they are less, ziko chache kwa kichwa. So zinakupatia ile, zinakupatia urahisi wa kuweza kuzifunga ukilala, na pia hazikui mingi kwa kichwa, so at least you have some space for your head to breathe. Juu hazijaijai kama zile zenye umecrochet. So these are pictures of before and after. The first pictures is for after and the second one is for before. So thank you guys, like, comment and subscribe, okay?